How's it going, my lovely people? We're going to be going over a little trade recap for Wednesday, June 25th, and we're going to be going over the trade that I took. Alright, right here is the trade that I took. I ended up taking shorts at 9:45, the AM macro. The whole idea of the trade is I wanted 2 hours, pretty basic, whatever. I had my stops at 11 points, and I had my target at 22 points. Now, I originally had my target right here, just because it was a low probability today, and Powell was speaking at 10 a.m., which I kind of bitched out, but I ended up just pretty much waiting for a candle close and then trailing it up here. And we never got the trail, and then I had my limit for TP right here. So I could have realistically targeted the Civi, see what price wanted to do here, or target this low, catching like 40 points, but I didn't do that today, so that's all good. I ended up just catching $700 from that, which is pretty basic. It's pretty calm. I need like a couple more, not a couple more days. Whatever. But yeah, so the whole idea of this trade, price ran up off open. We ended up making S&T here. We ended up displacing above these highs. We got to close, whatever. We're pretty bearish here. We're pretty bullish here. We kind of ran up crazy during pre-market, so I was expecting like a continuation, but again, I wasn't expecting continuation during macro because I want to see what macro wants to do. We got into this bigger time frame fair value gap. So you see here, we got into, let me see if I can go right here. Shit, bro. Alright, fuck it. We got into a bigger time frame fair value gap. We ended up tapping into it right here, as you can see. Price, what did price do? Price completely disrespected it, and we went lower going off that fair value gap. Now, realistically, I caught like a piece of that pie realistically. If I was feeling extra ballsy, I could have caught like 148 points. If I wanted to hold it through fucking everything in their mother, or 70 points, but instead we stick to the 22-point bangers because these are the ones that matter, bro. But yeah, it was a pretty basic trade. Trade lasted literally 2 minutes, not like 3 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes, whatever I'm fucking call it. 2-3 minutes. Trade lasted 2-3 minutes. So the whole idea was, after we ran up, we swept these highs. We made internal S&T or internal Twitter swoop. We swept these highs. Once we set these highs, I seen that we had made like a little order block here. We respected that order block. We also manipulated these highs again, and I was waiting for price to displace lower and to pretty much target these draws of liquidity right here. This wick down here, this wick down here, or these draws down here. I ended up just sticking to the basics and targeting this internal, and then I ended up catching a little more because I was expecting a bigger run down, I'm not gonna lie. If I just held it for one more candle, I honestly could have caught a fucking 30-point drop candle, which is nuts. But nonetheless, we did what we could. Again, price did what it had to do today. I pretty much called the top. Price never really came back and traced back up here. So yeah, I'm pretty much a top taker except for I just take 1 or 2 hour trades. 11-point stops, 22-point targets. Made $732 on the day. Yeah, it's my first trade recap. If you guys like these videos, let me know. I'm gonna start doing more of these, just like on the trades, even if they're red days. I don't really give a fuck. I'm just gonna post all the profits, red, green, doesn't matter. My hair looks a little scuffed right now, so bear with me. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is on my Express account, so you know, some of y'all people saying that might be funded. Nah, it's not an eval, it's an actual live account. So yeah, nonetheless, today was a low probable day. Tomorrow and Friday are going to be crazy days, especially with the news drivers that are coming up. So God willing, we'll see. We got my little plaque right there, my little certified plaque loop right there, and yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all boys. It was a pleasure. Let me know if y'all have any questions on why I took this trade, how I got it, or how I caught it, and yeah. But I pretty much explained everything. I'm gonna see y'all boys in the next recap or some more videos I'm gonna post.